Yo, hello everyone! In this video, we will show you how to join the Squarespace Affiliates program. Squarespace is a popular website builder that pays affiliates for referrals. We'll walk you through the sign-up process and share tips on how to promote Squarespace to earn commissions. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. Now, the first thing that I will need you to do is go ahead and launch your browser. Right from there, go to the URL section and search for Squarespace. So let's do that. Squarespace. Here we go. And from here, let's just correct this and click on the first link that will be appearing for you with the actual language that you want. For example, here I have French, here I have English, so I will go with the English one. Now, after I have opened the website, you will have two buttons. The one here, which is Get Started, and the one in the top right corner. Here it is. So you can click on it, on either one of these. Now, here you'll have to answer some questions from what's your site is about. So here you will have to answer or choose one of these options. We can choose, for example, art, education, design, gaming, and much more. So let's choose gaming for now. Here, you don't see what you're looking for, write it here. Then click on next through here. And then, what are your top goals? Promote an event or whatever it is, you can just answer and keep answering all of these questions so you get to the point where you're gonna create your affiliate program and join it. Now we are, for example, here I'm gonna choose this and then click on finish. Now they are gonna create me a template or like a website template, etc. Let's stop here and see if we are eligible to actually start affiliate program. So let's click here and search for Squarespace affiliate program in another tab. So let's go, and here it is. So here we go, share Squarespace, grow your business, and click here to start earning, as you may see. And now they are going to take us to another page, and this is the page that we are going to fill a form for them so they can get to know us. This form starts with the full name. You have to put here your personal information from full name, your email so they can contact you, confirm that email once more, and then a username to call you with, and then password. Then here, your company information. So if you have a company, make sure to give them the information about you. Your account display name, company website. In case you had, for example, no website but a YouTube channel, you can put here your YouTube channel. Here the country, the street address, the city, state, and zip, phone number, currency, and the time zone. Last here, you'll find promotional information, business model, are you a content creator, deal coupons, loyalty rewards, social influencer, network, commerce solution, media arbitrage, or cross audience monetization. And finally, proprietary type, websites, mobile, or social networks. And finally, the agreements. So the payout details, so default payout is 0.00 per order, as you might notice. Action login, so this is some stuff that you have to actually check before you get to know everything here. So once there is a trial sign up, you will get 0 payments per order. Once there is 100 to 200 sign up paid subscription, you will get around, let's check here. Here we go. So list of item category, plan type, commerce. So let's click here. And these are the categories that you may get paid for. So you'll get around 100 to 200 per person that pays one of these plans, which is this commerce basic monthly, advanced annually, or advanced monthly, or basic annually. So once someone pays one of these, you will get 200 per order. One for customer status is new, 100 per order. So once the customer actually buys this plan and renews it, you will get 100. So it can be a passive income for you. Here for the schedule. Action lock-in. So actions are worked 2 months and 20 days after end of the month they are tracked. For the invoicing, actions are invoiced on the 22nd of the month after they log. So, for example, someone has bought a plan in like today, which is 12th of May. Like you will get paid 1 month after in the 22nd. So you will get paid in June, but not in 12th of June, but in 22nd of June. So that's how it works. And the payouts scheduling approved transactions are paid 13 days after the end of the day they are invoiced. Here for the 0 USD domain purchase, you will get nothing for it. Scheduling subscription 0, nothing for it, and that's it. Finally, here you have to actually read all of that and download it actually, and then give it a online signature of yours. You can sign it, for example, on one of these websites that I will show you here. For example, Sejda. You can just download this and save it. You can just drag it over here. Let's choose it from here. Here we go, terms, and then you can just get this thing or any kind of stuff and start drawing. You can just get a highlight and draw, for example, something like that. So it is very easy to use, guys. You can even get here some shapes or etc. So you can have better sign-in. Here we go. This is a sign-in if you'd like it to have a sign-in, and much more. They have so many things to do. And yeah, overall, this is your agreement. This is the contract that you are having with Squarespace company. Make sure to read it all, and yeah, just know the basics of it, the important stuff that you have to need to know before signing the contracts with them, and then you will be all set and ready. Now, once you have signed it and confirmed everything and signed it up, you will have a message in your email which says, "Thank you for subscribing with us. We will verify your informations and we will reply to you in a couple of days if you were approved." And they will send you the username and the password to your account. Once you are approved, you will get the link that you are going to start sharing with people. So many people actually get approved and don't know how they can use this referral link. This referral link, you can actually get it easily and makes a lot of money using it. You can, for example, go to Facebook ads and start an advertisement for the Squarespace website and put the actual link or your referral link in the ad so people can click on it. And once people click on it, let's say that 100% clicked on it, like the minimum is like 3 people are actually going to sign up and they are actually going to pay for it. So imagine 3 people pay the e-commerce plan, you will get $300 per day. And for Facebook ads, I mean, you can pay around $5 the minimum or $1 per day to unlimited. So imagine you pay $10 per day and you will get in return $300. This is a really cool investment and it will be a passive income for you in the long term as long as the users are renewing their own plans. So yeah guys, thank you a lot for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.